Oh, hello everybody. Hey, here's the latest in my series of cheeky flying birds. It's a Pandemonium of Flying Parakeets. Now the parakeet is my most popular bird that I make here in the studio. I make them individually as hangings. I made them as a frieze. Lots of times we've made them in various compositions for different clients. And believe it or not, we have them here in Broadstairs. In fact, they've almost taken over. There's lots of them. And they congregate at dusk. So when I go for my swim at the end of the day, there might be 50 in a tree, and there's quite a few trees. They're not very nice to the other birds, unfortunately. There are lots of urban myths as to why they're here and how they got here. One of which is that they escaped from Jimi Hendrix's house in London. All complete nonsense, of course. Anyway, here they are. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. These birds of green feather like to flock together. It helps to fulfill their needs. So long as they cause complete pandemonium, they know they will always succeed.